So we spend a lot of time on our manufacturing process and refining and improving every step in that process.
Yes.
We have this wonderful SMT fabrication system and all that. And I know one of the things that we concentrate on is keeping our solder voids down to about 1%.
Yes.
Now, industry standards are 25%, and even military or space applications, even though they don't have to, they aim for 10%.
Yes.
Why are we aiming for 1%?
The reason why we're aiming for 1% is it gives you a good idea or indication that the process is controlled by making sure that the voids are less or as close as possible to zero indicates production quality and reliability.
So it's a great measure for us to
That's correct.
validate over and over and make sure
That's
it's
correct.
there. Yeah.
So I won't say that you won't find a 5% or 6% on our products, but we tend to make sure that we get to a 1% or less than a 1%.